So we are going to look into another types of advertisement campaign under the category of consideration. Okay, so we created the traffic campaign, engagement, app installs. So these are the three different campaign types we created earlier, and we are going to explore other types like video views, lead generation, and messages. Okay, so basically, video views are to promote a video content that you have. Okay, so whenever you watch a video or whenever you are having a content that you are watching it on social media platforms, especially Facebook, automatically these videos will be shown in between. So they are called in-stream videos. There are different types of advertisement category. That is like 10-second video, which means people can watch your videos for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, so different categories based on the length of the video it is being watched is also being categorized. Okay, video views. Basically, you have a video and increase the number of people who are watching your videos. Okay, let us give it a try with this one. Okay, so naming your campaign as usual, it happens with every campaign. Okay, so let me say Amudan video promotion. So as I've already said, naming your campaign with city name, age limit of the target audience, all these are a really good practice. Okay, when we are running a similar campaign, more than one campaign, okay, doing it like this is one of the greatest choice. Okay, so the name is given, auction system is selected, the campaign objective is like video views, campaign budget optimization. Okay, so till now we are always practicing ad set level optimization, not campaign level, budget optimization. Okay. The daily budget by default it has taken is like 800. Actual amount spent may vary because if there is no audience people to show this advertisement to, then you can spend only 600 or 400. Okay. But when there is a demand or there is a possibility of showing your advertisement to lots of people, okay, it's possible that even above your spend limit is being also used sometimes, but at an average if you see daily you will be spending around 800 rupees. Okay, so this has a start date, and if you want you can also set up an end date. Okay, let us see for 800 rupees, let us see for how many rupees. For 100 rupees, 214 through play, which means like through play in the sense like your video will play. So this is a number of through plays that we estimate you can get each day based on your campaign performance and estimated daily result. Okay, so you can get maybe higher or lower than this estimate. Okay, so 214. So for 100 rupees, okay, we can expect to have our video played for 214 times. Okay, how about for 200 rupees? 427 times. That's really great. Okay, let me go with rupees 100 and also define my audience and select my placement wherever I need to display my advertisement and see how much forecast or through play I get. And if I want to increase my through play to my expectation, I have to increase my budget accordingly. Okay, so if I have a video in English, I can select location India to promote my content. When I have my video content in Tamil, I can select specifically Tamil Nadu as a location to promote my content. Okay, Tamil Nadu. So we have several options, to choose from. You can choose to target people who are staying in Tamil Nadu permanently, or you can choose people who are traveling to Tamil Nadu. Okay, so you can also show this advertisement to people who have recently visited this location. Okay, so based on your choice, and the first one says like people living in or recently in this location. Okay, is what is being used. Okay, so it is always preferable to select people living in this location so that we are targeting people who are permanent here, who are not temporarily coming and going away. So the age from 18 to 65 plus. Okay, it depends on how many people or what kind of people you want to show. By default, if you want to show to everybody, Okay, make it 18 to 65 plus. So this is going to be a very broader size audience. Okay, gender both male and female. If you want only to show it to male, you can go ahead and select it. And the detailed targeting, preferably when you are trying to show your videos to people who may potentially interested in your business or product or services, you can go ahead and choose your audience type. Okay, what they are interested in. Okay, so let me say somebody is interested. I want to target people who runs a small scale business and who wants to connect with me. Okay, so I can target people who are small business owners. Okay, so people who are interested in small business and people who are small business owners also. So once I do this, I select the suggestions option and I have small business owners, small business and enterprise. Okay, so these people needs the training on this particular topic and industry, so I'm selecting this. After that, let me try to see whether I can have my reach increased by selecting the detailed targeting expansion. I have 200 through play minimum and a maximum of 247 through play. So there is a marginal difference when I have my option to show my advertisement, okay, to reach more people, okay, using the detailed targeting solutions. Okay, so if you come down now, this is the time for me to save this audience if I want to use it for future references. Else, if I have an audience already created and saved, I can use that to show my advertisements. Let us try to see the combination of placements. How does this placement gives difference in through play? Is there a possibility that I can have more through play with being displayed? Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. Okay, so the combination of all these four is giving me 247 through play. Let us give it a try with Messenger excluded, remains the same. There is no difference between 247 to 713, but 247 to 715. Now when I remove Messenger, I obviously get two more through play extra from 247 to 715. So it is better idea to leave it as it is, but there is a small difference. But if you want to take that advantage of small difference also, we can remove the Messenger. And let's check out with the audience network. Okay, preferably audience network will be shown to the interface of those websites. Okay, which is in between the uh, applications that is being used on different platforms, which takes the advantage of Facebook's product. Okay, we generally used to come across the advertisement on Truecaller. Okay, your advertisement is shown to Truecaller because Truecaller is one of the part of Facebook's audience network. Okay, so that's basically one option. So when I remove audience network, I have only 75 through play. But when I add audience network, I have 247 to 715 through play. So audience network is going to play a major role for me. Okay. Now let us try with Facebook and audience network combination without Instagram. 247 has become 282, 282 and 814. Now when I add Instagram, now it is 247. When I remove Instagram, it is 282. So for the same price, I can get more through play. Okay, if I don't show it on my Instagram. Okay, let us try only with audience network. Okay, only with audience network. Okay, it has only reach 760 to 2.2. No through play happens. So obviously audience network alone is not gonna help me out. Let me try only with the Facebook, not with audience network at all. Only with Facebook, I get only 79 through play. Okay, so 79 to 227. With the audience network, I get 282 to 814. Okay, so the best combination to sold to lots of people with a lesser budget is to go with the Facebook and the audience network. Okay, now let me say I want to have 1,000, through play, which means I want 1,000 people to look at my audience. So now it is time for me to increase my daily budget. Instead of 100, let me try making it around 300, three times the current audience. Okay, 845. Let me go with 500, so 1,400. Okay, let me go with 400 rupees and see. I get 1,100. Okay, through place. So if I want to promote my video to at least 1,100 people per day, I need to spend around 400 rupees. Okay, so that is what I can see it as a limit here. Okay, so by doing all this combination, okay, let us be little bit narrow down too. Okay, so which are the places you want to show your advertisement? Okay, you want to show your advertisement on Facebook news feed, which means when people open your mobile application like this, okay, they can see it in front of the screen. Or you want to show it in Facebook video ads, which means like when people watch video, below the video, I mean the content whichever the people are watching, it will advertisement will show at the bottom. So like this, you can enable and you can disable which are all the options you want to show your advertisement. Okay, we have removed Instagram from showing this advertisement, so we can select this if you want and add Instagram. It has 1000 to 3000 through play, but when I select Instagram feed, my through play is reduced to 100. Okay, from 1100 to 1000. So I'm selecting this one. So when I click on the Facebook news feed and see how much through play I may get, okay, I don't get actually, so I have to enable this. So Facebook news feed is really great. Now Facebook video feeds, when I select Facebook video feeds and see, okay, it says 1200 to 4000. So I have an opportunity to have 1200 to 3400 through play when I remove Facebook video feeds. When I add, I get only 1100 through play for the same budget. So let me try to remove this because the through play that is showing here is little high. Okay, so I'm removing this one. So based on my visibility, reach and through play, I'm trying to change my combination so that I get more number of people end up watching my content. Okay, so do I want to show my videos in stream while playing a video? So let me remove this, but I have 1300 through play. That's really great. When I remove the in string, okay, it is giving me an option to go for 1300 through play, but when I add it, it goes to 1200 through play. Now when people search in Facebook, if they end up searching something in Facebook, basically people will search other people's profile, their profession, their details. Okay, that's also possible. Okay, so let us see when showing advertisement while searching will increase my through play or not. So I'm adding this search box option, but when I remove this search option, will my through play increase? There is no difference. When there is no difference, I can add it. Okay, in the Facebook search results, okay, 1300 remains the same. Okay, there is no huge difference. Okay, let me count down. So by combining all these placement options, showing my content inside the article remains at 1300, so that it will be like as it is. Okay, showing inside the application and websites. Oof. When I so the maximum number of videos is going to be shown inside the applications and different websites that uses audience network. So once I select this one, okay, I have 1300 to 3700 through play. Now I'm trying to get most out of the budget which I am spending. So I get 1300 to 3700 through play to promote my video. So now 1300 to 3700 is what I am promoting, but all I need is like 1000 visitors or 1000 views only. So let me try to restrict my 400 to another 100 rupees lesser. Now it is 300. So rather than getting a content for 400 rupees, I can get this one for rupees 350 per day budget. Okay, so 325 approximately. So 1000 through play is what my target is per day. So what happens, rather than spending 400 rupees every day, I end up spending 325 rupees every day. Okay, so the through play is somewhere around 1000 rupees, I mean 1000 people who can watch this. Now by doing this combination, okay, I ended up spending a minimal amount and also tried getting the maximum through plays. So this is the goal, that we can do it by ourselves. Now Facebook algorithm itself is designed in the same way, okay, to give us the more number of through plays and also the visitors with a lesser budget. Okay, so we are also trying to narrow down our audience in such a way. Okay, now we are coming to the small calculation technique, right? So when I spend 325 rupees and I get a minimum of 1000 through play, to make sure that I get minimum of 1000 through play, again let me try to see 1000. Okay, so 325 is my budget. Okay, so divided by 1000. 3.25 or 0.325 is it? 0.325. Okay, if you look into this one, so 32 paise. So every time when a person watches a video, I want to restrict to minimum 0.32 paise. The reason because based on the amount I'm spending and also the audience report I get, okay, this is what I will be ending up spending the money, right? So what I'm trying to do is, what if I end up spending 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee for watching a video, making the people watching the video, 32 paise approximately is really a good money for me to make people to look through my content. If they want, they can stand back and watch this. Okay. Now, can I reduce this one and see the forecast instead of 32? Let me try with 10 paise and see the forecast through play. No, it doesn't work out. Okay, let me try with the 15 paise. I think it still doesn't work out. Okay, let me try with 20 paise. Yeah, so instead of going to 32 paise, if you go with the 20 paise itself, my advertisement can be shown to people. Now, when I can show it to people with 20 paise, why should I go with 32 paise? Now, the probability of spending my money. So, only 20 paise per video what I'm making people to watch this particular advertisement campaign. So, we are trying to make sure that we are showing our advertisement very productively in different platforms. Okay. So, this is how we can give it a try. Remember, these estimated daily results are not exact results, or we cannot depend on them. But we are not depending on them, but we are depending on its performance to get an idea. Okay, whether it is a fixed value that is shown here, let it show me only 200 or 300, that's not the problem, but let me go with a reference value of this one and I move on. Okay, the next option is to create an advertisement. So we have been working on the ad set till now. Okay, so to advertise a product on Instagram, you need to select a page on your Facebook. So that page can be used in Instagram too. Okay, so run this ad on Facebook and Instagram at the same time to reach more people who matter to you. Okay, that's correct. We want to run this advertisement to more people, but the problem here is when I tried to add Instagram, my through play was reduced. So, but that is the reason I added only Facebook. Now, adding a Instagram will increase my through play of my content in the sense like I can go ahead and add it. Otherwise, there is no problem in it. Okay, so I come down. So set up an advertisement, creating an ad. Please choose a video for your ad. So we need to add a video. Okay, so you can go down. If there is a video already added that says some error message, this video can be used for the in-stream ads in the audience network. To run this video, you will need to make this video 5 to 120 seconds long. Okay, so you need to have a video that is 5 to 1 second long. Okay, page video. So we have several options. If you have already published a video on your page, you can use this, or you can upload a video URL. Let me say you have a video in YouTube. Okay, so you can select this one and paste the YouTube video link and also the title for your content. So if you don't have a video to upload, okay, you can actually paste the video URL, and this will most probably download the content and it will upload. So it will not use the video URL, or it will not promote the YouTube URL. It will only download the content and upload from the source. Now, if you have a video inside your, if you have a video inside your computer, okay, you can simply go ahead and use the upload option to browse. Okay, so account videos, page videos, business videos. Okay, so go with account videos. If I don't have a video that is format supporting, okay, I need to go to my system. But the thing is like no items match your request. Okay, so this is download section. We go to this download section. Let me see, is there a video which is less than 120 seconds? Okay, I have a video of 1 minute and 32 seconds, 124 seconds approximately. Let me try to add it as an example. Okay, so I have my own profile which is only 37 seconds. Okay, so let me try to add this video and see what happens. Okay, So this video is being uploaded. So this is the digital marketing trainer profile that I created. Okay, now it depends, the length of the video needs to be shown in between, and if the video is too longer it will not show. If the video is too short also it can show it to people. Okay, so it is being uploaded. Once uploaded it will accept, it seems it accepted. Okay, so I have uploaded my video, and this is how my video will look like, okay, to other people in the preview or the advertisements. Okay, it is something like this: view ad, that's gone. Okay, so try multiple text options. Okay, suggested text options. We can add a text inside your advertisement. Okay, so primary text for the advertisement. Okay, what you can say: learn digital marketing from Amudhakumar online. Okay, so like this, whatever the advertisement type that you want to put into. Okay, so you can make this one in such a way that after people reading this article they need to click on your advertisement. Okay, now if you want to have a landing page, because this is a video promotion content, so if you are adding a landing page, in the sense people may end up clicking on your advertisement, and it is possible that people will be taken to your website. So I think we don't need to add a website URL for this particular goal, because I don't want people to go to my website. If I want people to come to my website, I need to choose the goal of traffic, not this one. Okay, so I don't prefer to give the URL. If at all if it is mandatory, we can give. That's not a problem. Okay, so this is with respect to adding the video content. Now there is something called a tracking. Obviously, by installing the Facebook Pixel, I will be discussing about the installation of the Facebook Pixel at the end after creating all the advertisement types. Okay, so that is used for tracking the performance. Now I have added the video. I have also selected my audience and also the placements in such a way that I get the more visibility and also for the lesser budget.